All right, so I'm going out here with the attitude to take over, to take control, and I am. Things get crazy when I walk out this door. Bruce starts attacking every dog out of dominance. So here we go, 101. There's our other dominant guy, so he's going after the toy right now. Bruce is still targeting on his first dog, Ava, which usually doesn't target on her. So my job is to put this guy in check. Just myself walking out here triggers this. My presence triggers this effect. Everybody's happy and go lucky and fine until I walk out. Why? Because it creates excitement. He sees that he's the one dominant and has to put everybody in check. Now it's just become a habit every time I walk out to go attack another dog. How to resolve this? Stay tuned. That will be the next video.